All right, we begin 10:30 a.m. with news from the Supreme Court. Well, there will be no restriction at this moment on watching pornography within the four walls of your house. That's what India's top court has actually said. Supreme Court passed the order on a petition seeking blocking of all porn sites till the centre took a stand on this issue. The petitioner said crimes against women and children are majorly influenced by such porn videos. But Chief Justice of India, Justice H.L. Dattu, said that the court cannot pass an order stopping someone watching pornography within the four walls of his room because it would be violation of Article 21, which defies liberty. However, the Chief Justice of India asked the Union Home Ministry to file a detailed affidavit within 4 weeks. Information Technology Act does not make it illegal to view adult pornography, but watching child pornography is an offence under Section 67B of the IT Act, added in 2008. We've got Anusha Soni joining us at this moment. Anusha, it seems that the Supreme Court has made the position very clear as far as pornography is concerned. But do take us through how the arguments were stacked for and against as far as this issue is concerned.
Well, Sanket, what the petitioner had asked was an outright ban on the pornographic sites, to which the Chief Justice of India responded by saying that, it's a free country and to a limited extent and within the confines of the four walls of the house, certain pornographic content can be permitted. That was one part of the argument. The other part of the argument was that there's something called a revenge porn, which is usually very personal in nature and usually against the consent of the people participating in it. That is the sort of pornography that the Supreme Court is very interested in tracking down. And even the government of India, earlier it had said in the Supreme Court that it is very difficult to track these pornographic sites. We cannot go after each of them. They keep propping up every now and then. But this time, Pinky Anand, representing the government of India, said that we will monitor these sites very closely.
Very interesting.
And the Ministry of Home Affairs will come with some kind of response on this matter within 4
weeks. Very interesting, Anusha, the point that you are making about revenge porn, because that has become the biggest matter of concern online at this moment. Harish Nair, who actually got this story in the mail today this morning also, he is with us. Harish, that point that Anusha was actually mentioning about revenge pornography, that is putting someone's clip online on these pornography websites without the person's consent. Now, that is something that the government perhaps will be interested in cracking down on. Just take us through what really is, the action plan on that front, because the Supreme Court has made that distinction very clear.
Yes. This is one of the biggest issues raised by Mr. Vijay Panjwani, who is the Indore-based lawyer, Kamlesh Vaswani's lawyer. So, Supreme Court has now sought the view of the MSA, but the petitioner, for the time being, sought an immediate interim stay on all this, to block all these websites. But the court said it cannot be given, because it may violate the right to this personal liberty and privacy.
Okay, no, but then specifically to that point on revenge porn, Harish, what is the view within the government, and also what was the discussions that were carried out in the Supreme Court?
Yes, the court had during the earlier hearing said that this has to be curbed at the earliest and sought coordinated effort between the Department of Telecommunication, INB Ministry and the Home Affairs.
So the government has to get back.
Yeah. Government was to get back, and during the last hearing, the Additional Solicitor General had said that a committee will be set up to go on to the issue, and we'll be getting back to the court at the earliest. But this has not done so far.
Very important, very significant, Harish Nair. Now, of course, the Supreme Court has given some time to the government. It has asked the Ministry of Home, sought the Home Ministry's view on this particular issue. So, of course, the Home Ministry is going to work in consultation with other departments and ministries to give its view on this particular issue. That this is, in fact, going to be a very significant story that we are going to track here on India Today, because it is affecting a lot of people. It's a subject matter of a huge online campaign as well. Thanks very much, Anusha, as well as Harish.